The Michigan Soybean Committee is a farmer-funded organization, and our job is to increase the return on investment for soybean farmers, promotion of soybeans, market development, and production research. For my internship, I had the opportunity to work with everyone on the team in all their different disciplines, so I've gotten to work with communications, market development, research, and to see kind of where I think that my degree will take me and where I will fall into the agricultural industry. These samples will go into the research we're doing for our on-farm trials. Our job is to provide farmers with the information about what is helpful and what is harmful for their soybean crop. Internships are important in your education because they provide you with real-world experience and also provide you with many connections that you can use when continuing your future career. Throughout my knowledge I've gained through the classroom, I've learned so much about my field and where I want to go after graduation. So this is just a step to take my knowledge from the classroom into the real world and apply it into my future career.